Take a look at these videos I got from a TikToker.
Yeah, your car is sick. What do you do for a living?
I have my own business.
Okay. Any industry in particular?
Software.
What do you do for a living? Software? Computer? Awesome, man.
As you see, they got most of their wealth in selling software. Selling software is one of the most profitable and lucrative business that you can do today. Since it's a digital product, your profit margin could go as high as 100%. However, starting a software business isn't that easy. You need to invest a lot of time and money in the beginning. You need to hire professional programmers and web developers. They are not cheap though. And you need to spend a lot of money and time on the development and marketing of the software. And after you have done developing software, you aren't even sure if that software will sell. That's why we offer reselling our best-selling software called Cosmic Club Store. It is an e-commerce platform that has a POS system with an inventory and sales management system, capable of handling any physical products. It's a system that can be opened on multiple devices, online or offline, all at the same time and anywhere in the world. Our record shows that for the past 3 months, we sold the software to around 122 clients. That's around 40 clients per month. So, if your price for the software is at 3,990 pesos, you'll be able to earn 159,600 pesos in 1 month, 40 times 3,990 pesos. That is a net 1 monthly income, 100% profit margin. And since this software could be used for any physical products and can be accessed anywhere in the world, you can sell this to any type of retail business in any place all over the world. Also, this is a white label program, meaning you sell all the features and functionality of the software or app, but the names is no longer Cosmic Club Store. It's your own choice. Now, here's a little background of myself and the software. June 2015 is the time when I started my own online grocery business serving the city I am currently living in. I use a grocery e-commerce app that I developed for this online grocery business. In January 2017, I found out that the grocery app that I've developed is marketable. Thus, I started selling it this time. During a pandemic, in March 2020, my overall sales for this month alone went about 10 million pesos selling the software. And since then, I continually keep on updating and developing the software. Last March 2024, I added 3 major features to the app: the POS system, inventory system, and sales system. And that's how I got more than 40 people who availed and used the app every single month. Here's how our reseller program works. We will provide you a reseller website and a reseller dashboard. People can avail your software by registering to your reseller website, pays you the software price, and monitor them in your reseller dashboard. So let's say you have a client that pays you your software price of 3,990 pesos. My asking price of the software is 0, which means you will get all the slices of the pie, which is 100%. Since the client pays you 3,990 pesos, you will get all the 3,990 pesos profit. And we in Club Store will set up your client's account without a cost. Consequently, there are 3 different programs you can resell on this program. One is called the basic account, which you can sell at 3,990 pesos or up. And you can keep all of that to yourself. This is the product that we take as an example a while ago. Second is what we call the dedicated account type 1 for single store. This is an upgraded version of the basic account. You can sell it at 18,990 pesos or up, but we only get the 9,990 pesos as the cost for setting up the domain name and servers. Lastly is what we call the dedicated account type 2 for multiple stores or branches. You can sell it at 55,990 pesos or up, but we only get the 28,990 pesos, again, as payment for setting up the domain name and servers. Now, I would like to show you a sneak peek of how your reseller dashboard and your reseller website looks like. So this is your reseller or the actual reseller dashboard you will going to have when you register and avail the reseller program. And this is also your reseller website. Here in your reseller website, this is where the customer or you will going to register. They're just going to create an account, and after they create an account, they're gonna send you his or her payment. Once you receive his or her payment, their store will be listed here in your store's menu in your reseller dashboard. And then their payments will be reflected here in the billing section. One more thing is this package section here. This is where, as I've shown you ago, the amount that you'll set in your software. Here's my challenge for you. You can walk away, close this page, ignore what I'm offering to you, and choose not to resell this software. But let me tell you this, I can guarantee that if you follow all the instructions in our reseller program, you can earn back your ROI within a month or two. Of course, it won't happen overnight. During the first few weeks, we'll need to set everything up and conduct some testing with your account. However, once everything is ready and you start acquiring customer to buy the software, you'll recover your investment quickly and start earning profits in the month that follows. How sure am I with that? Remember, when I mentioned that you can earn 159,600 pesos a month by getting 40 people a month to buy that software, even if you only hit half or even just a fourth of that target, you will be earning a substantial profit every month. Now, imagine this. What if some of those 40 customers who availed the basic account upgraded to that of a dedicated account? On a regular basis, 5 out of 40 usually make the leap and upgrade to a dedicated account type 1. Now, if you price that at 18,990 pesos each, 18,990 minus the setup fee of 9,990 pesos, that's 9,000 pesos. Multiply that by 5 so you can have an additional 45,000 pesos net income. Concurrently, if 2 of the 40 will upgrade to a dedicated account type 2, say you price it at 55,990 pesos each, 55,990 minus the setup fee of 28,990 pesos, then that's 27,000 pesos. Times 2, that's an additional 54,000 pesos net income. An additional of 45,000 pesos plus 54,000 pesos on top of your 159,600 pesos sales from the basic accounts will be your total profit. That, my friend, is equivalent to 258,600 pesos net profit income earned by you every single month. And you don't have to wander off because I will be teaching you how to get those 40 customers in the instructional training included in your reseller account. And note that 40 is just a small number. If you look around, you will see a lot of stores that surround your place. That's actually your target customers. And again, this is not limited only to the one location. You could target customers beyond the boundaries of your area. You can even target stores situated outside the country. But here's the catch. I'm offering this reseller program to only 12 people. It's because I can only handle one-on-one interactions with a single person a month. Yes, you heard it right. With this reseller program, I will be with you guiding you in a one-on-one session through Zoom or Messenger, but only to the first 12 people who will avail now. How much should you invest in this program? Remember the programs I've told you a while ago. These are the programs that you can resell. However, there is actually a third type of dedicated account. It is commonly referred to as the reseller account. Everything you got from the dedicated account type 2 are included here plus the reseller program. Now, here's the harsh truth. I am not allowing you to resell this type of account. Why? Remember, I mentioned that this program is only for 12 people. Since this is limited to only a few people, I will prioritize those who are directly connected to me. If you are watching this video up to this point, then that means you are one of the few people I will prioritize to avail this program. Not the person next to you and not the person you want to resell to, only to you and to the 11 people who directly availed from me. That's why it's very important to take action now and avail of this reseller program, because once all the 12 spots are gone, you won't be able to get it anymore. Now, I could have offered you this reseller program and it is reasonable to ask you 258,600 pesos for it, because you can easily get back your ROI in a month or two. But I won't. That's too much as a start and not many people can afford that amount. In order for you to have a reseller account, you just have to avail the dedicated account type 3, which is priced at only 98,990 pesos. A big discount may be offered at the end of this video, so make sure to continue watching. Remember what I've told you about the basic account? You could not only sell it at 3,990 pesos, but you can even sell it at 4,990 pesos or 6,990 pesos or even more. You could also even add a monthly fee for it and still all the proceeds goes to you. For dedicated account type 1, we only get 9,990 pesos for the setup fee and 1,990 pesos monthly recurring fee for hosting. While you can sell it at any amount you want, you can sell it at 30,000 pesos or 50,000 pesos or more. And you could ask a monthly fee of 3,000 pesos or 5,000 pesos or more. You could even possibly sell it at 1 million pesos with monthly fee of 10,000 pesos, and we only get the 9,990 pesos setup fee and 1,990 pesos monthly fee. Same thing with dedicated type 2. You can resell it at any amount above 18,990 pesos, and we only get the setup fee and the monthly fee. And you don't need to pay even half of 258,600 pesos to have the dedicated account type 3 with reseller account. You only need 98,990 pesos with a monthly hosting or server fee of 4,990 pesos. But wait, since this program is very new, we want to offer you a 40,000 pesos discount for the setup fee. So, for the first 5 person who will avail today, instead of paying 98,990 pesos, we will be bringing down the price to only 58,990 pesos. Imagine that 58,990 pesos is nothing to what you will be earning. For basic account, where you can price it whatever you want without any expenses and seeing around your surroundings where there are a lot of sari-sari store and other small retail outlets, you could get back easily that amount. Eventually, these small retail stores will need to have a separate white label website because this is crucial to their branding, marketing, and sales. They'll eventually will need to have a dedicated account type 1. Also, some of them have multiple branches for their store, so they'll need dedicated account type 2. And the price for a dedicated account type 3 or reseller account is only 58,990 pesos. Click the button below to get the first 5 spots.